resetting the LED light for the RO faucet, you're going to need a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench, and the screw is located on the bottom of the gooseneck handle. So loosen that screw. Once it's loosened, the whole rubber assembly slides out just like that. You will see a reset button right up top. You're going to hold that until you see 3 lights: red, blue, red. Let go of the light, and you can place it back in the gooseneck. Now, if you're replacing the battery just slides out. It is a CR2032 battery, and you're going to slide that back in, positive on top. If the whole motherboard comes out of the rubber grommet, you will see 2 holes on there and 2 knobs on the rubber piece. You just got to align it back up with the rubber going in those holes. Then you're going to reinsert it back in the gooseneck. As soon as you reinsert it, you should see the LED come up.